How to build a Shopify store using AI. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can build your very own Shopify store using AI. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. And the tool that we're going to be using to create our AI store is called Atlas, and it's pretty simple. The website is helloatlas.io. You can come over here and basically get started, and we can try it for free over here. We can even go ahead and install the app within the App Store as well. So if you come over here onto the left hand side, click on the app section over here at the bottom and just search for Atlas, or just simply click on all apps recommended and click on the Shopify App Store. It'll take you to the App Store, and here you can search for it. So search for Atlas and it'll pop up, and you can install it right here. So click on install and just simply install the application, and boom, it's now installed. Then it's going to open up over here. You can see I'll pin it like that. And then we just select the type of store we want. So we got AliExpress, we got Amazon, Shopify, a bunch of different options. But yeah, we come over here, click on AliExpress, and then we select the product. So this is how it would look like once it's ready, right? So we just paste the product link. So let's go over to AliExpress. And then here we find our product. So come over here at the top and we'll search for something. So let's go ahead and search for some shoes. And now we have a bunch of different options available. I really like these slides over here. I think this would look pretty cool on our store. So let's go ahead and select this one, open it up, and then we copy the link and then come back into Atlas, back to our Shopify store. We paste the link and we click on proceed. It's going to go ahead and import everything. So it's going to craft our premium store. It's going to import the product data, AI, everything, AI writing and AI creatives, everything. So give it a couple of seconds and we should be good to go. And here we go. So it's selected the photos. I think this looks good. We can click on continue. If you want to add your own, you can click on the add button over here and, add your own images. We're going to click on continue. Now we just select the color type. So here on the right hand side, we can see everything. So if I go ahead and select some other options like a pinkish color, is it changing? Yeah, here we go. At the top it is. So we can see this is how it looks like. It doesn't look too great. Maybe we can go with gradient. And what about the royal? It looks pretty good. Like the purplish colors look really good. Although at the top doesn't really look quite good. Maybe if we go with soft clay, something with the lighter color, so that we can actually see the backgrounds. What about this one? Is it this one? Let me actually change the color. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so we just need to flip it, I think. So if I click on cool glacier, all right, this is how it looks like. Then I'll just put this here, or actually we can just copy the color codes. Yeah, copy this one over here, paste that there, and then copy this one here and paste it there. That should, yeah, that looks pretty cool. But the other ones don't look that great as well. Maybe we can make it a little bit darker. There we go. I think this looks much better now. Yeah, this one looks much better now. So you can change the colors however you want. It totally depends on you. We can go with this one as well. Although at the top, we can't really see anything. So maybe we just put this here so that, at least we get some kind of colors going and actually see what's written at the top. But we can edit that out as well. It totally depends on you. But then we scroll down and see the entire website and see how it looks like. It actually looks pretty cool. This is the entire website guide. Looks pretty cool. And then here we have the homepage as well. So if we click on homepage, we can color or customize this as well, like the text over here, the headings, the benefit cards, everything is available over here. So we can change up pretty much all of the text we want. We have text and interactives over here. So this one looks effortlessly comfort right here at the top. Non-slip security, everything looks good. Persuasion and benefits, these are all the product info as well. So we can go ahead and change up whatever we want, but I think this looks good. We got the colors and everything. And maybe we can change it to gradient brush. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, I think we should stick with something gradient. Let's go with rose water, see how that one looks. Something neutral, like a bluish color would look pretty cool as well. Yeah, this one looks actually pretty cool. We're going to continue with this. We can change out the colors later on. I'll copy this color just in case if we want to edit out the home page or the top home section. Yeah, Then we hit the continue button over here. Once we finalized all the colors, once we finalized all the text and editings, we click on the continue button. Then we have this section right here. This is the preview of the buy now button. I think this looks good. We can create our own one or use the Atlas just recommended bundle. This is like the bundle section. But this is the bundle section, and we can change it up over here. We can create our own as well. It takes 7 minutes, but we can use the recommended one. I think I'm going to go with the recommended one and click on next. We can skip this step as well. It totally depends on you. Click on next. And this is the art section where we can see the checkout page. Looks pretty cool. We'll click on continue. Of course, you can edit it out and, you know, skip all of this as well. And then you finally go ahead and select one of the plans. And once you've applied that, you can even apply a discount code if you want. Once you've applied it, you are good to go. Then you can just simply click on continue next, apply the theme, and your store is now good to go. We can skip this step as well. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and apply and select one of the plans and you should be good to go. So it's as simple as that. And then you just simply approve it. It's going to apply the subscription over here and give it a couple of seconds to process everything. And then you hit the publish your store button. It'll take you to the theme section where you give it a couple of seconds and then you can just simply apply the theme. Then hit the publish button over here. Click on publish and then you can go ahead and view it. So let's go ahead and edit the theme. And this is how it looks like. Pretty simple, right? Pretty cool. And then you can click on the settings option as well. Sometimes you need to go ahead and activate the app itself over here. Just simply click on the app embeddeds over here on the left hand side and click on the button, turn it on, and then you're good to go. And it's as simple as that. And that's how you can create a Shopify store using AI. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.